Hi, this is Jaylene from the Beauty Eye, and if you're looking for the perfect gift to give someone, this cute cow squishmallow is the perfect gift. I want to show you how fun this squishmallow really is. It's really fluffy and squishy, so you can have fun playing with it for ages. Even your children, they can play on it all day long. So here I just want to show you how the cow looks like from the front. The black and white print, and it even has a cute little tail in the back, and it also has some horns and ears in the front as well. So it's a really cute stuffed animal. And in here you can even add it to accessorize your bed, keep you some company at night for the children as well. And I also want to show you how squishy it is. So as you can see, this squishmallow is really comfortable that you can even sleep on it, so you can have a good night's rest. So if you know someone that loves stuffed animals, this cute squishmallow would be the perfect gift, and that's my point of view.